We've got a new feature update for you. This is a new trigger within your workflows, and this is the source filter trigger for payments. Businesses can now precisely trigger actions upon payments received based on specific sources, providing greater control and customization over automated workflows. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, you're going to gain precise control. With the filter payment trigger, you can now base that trigger on specific payment sources. You are also going to increase your automation effectiveness because now you can tailor workflows to respond only to relevant payment sources. This is going to enhance workflow customization, and you're going to be able to enjoy more flexibility in designing automated sequenced workflows. A business now can automate follow-up actions specifically for payments received through its website forms, ensuring prompt communication and engagement with new leads. So first of all, we need to be in a workflow. So I'm going to have you go to Workflows, which is under Automations in the left-hand navigation. Once you're in Automations, you're going to go to Workflows, and then you're going to create a new workflow. For this one, we're going to go ahead and start from scratch. And now we're going to click on that Add Trigger, and we're going to go ahead and select the new trigger that is called Payments Received. Now, we need to customize that, so we're going to go ahead and customize the filters by selecting filters, and we're going to go into the standard fields, and we're going to select a global product, which means it's a product that's available everywhere. And now we need to select the operator, and the operator is going to be specifically is, and then we're going to go ahead and select that specific operator that we want it to be linked to. Now we're going to go ahead and select another filter. So for that, we're going to customize that filter. We're going to go into the source, and we're going to choose those specifically source under the standard field. Now let's go ahead and select that source's operator. It's also going to be is. And then we're going to go ahead and select that specific form that we want this trigger to be linked to. That is going to be a form with a payment. Now go ahead and select Save Trigger. This enhancement empowers businesses to optimize their workflows by precisely targeting payment triggers from different sources, enhancing efficiency and customization right within the CRM. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.